Alright class, so today we will be editing those pictures of whatever US president you picked and adding some fun facts about them. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your internet, and then once you do that, click in the address bar and go to www.picmonkey.com, picmonkey.com. Once you do that, you'll have to sign in and start your free trial. But once you do all that, you'll come to a page that looks like this. Make sure you scroll down to where it says collage layouts and blank canvases. Click the 11 by 8.5 inches, and then click here and type in a name. Just put the name of your president. So I'm going to put Abraham Lincoln because that's going to be the example that I make for you guys. Then you click create. Once you get to this page, go ahead and click add an image from your computer and the picture that you saved of your president, which mine's Abe Lincoln. And then once you do that, he's going to be pretty small, so make sure you just make him bigger. Keep moving to the center of the page. You'll see those two red lines meet up. That's how you know it's in the middle. Just keep growing them out. Bring them back to the middle. And then once you have them big enough, just move them to the left side like that. And then once you do that, go over to the left here where my cursor is and click background color, and then make the background color the color of the party that he was in. So Abe Lincoln was Republican, so we're going to make it red. After you do that, you're going to click where it says text. Well, first click apply background color. Click where it says text, click add text, and then a text box will show up. You drag it to the top here, type in it, and then just put your president's name at the top. Okay, and then once you're done with that, we're going to add more text. So click add text again, drag it to the right here. Make sure that the text box is still on your page, so it's going to take some adjusting. There we go. And then make sure you click down here and align it to the right. Then you click in the text box and you can put your fun facts. So for Abe Lincoln, I'm going to put he was the 16th president of the United States. Bring that text box down a little bit. And then add another text box. Make sure you have 3 facts. That's all I'm asking for. And then let's say he was the president during the Civil War. Okay, and then one more. He was assassinated in Ford's Theater in DC. Okay, so once you have your president and you have all those facts and everything like that, just make sure you save it to your computer and turn it in on Google Classroom. All right, thank you guys.